Unboxing time. Let's see.
Okay,
Pokemon.
so,
Let's
guys,
go.
We got this magic card. If we pull the Charizard from there, it's game over. It's game over.
Alright, let's go.
But then we just ordered a new Pokemon Go pack. Let's go. So we'll open this one first. We'll start off with the hype. So
No, cut it.
we'll cut it. Let me find the card.
So how you doing?
Trying to open it. It's a different package, that's why. Okay, this package is a bit hard. Yeah, this is not supposed to be like that.
You got the card?
No, I haven't. I haven't got the card.
Alright.
Which way is it? I don't know.
Pull it.
Okay, wait.
Just pull it. Let's see what happens.
We're gonna go face down first. You ready?
Okay, turn it.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, what is it?
That's not a bad card. I don't know what the character is. I've seen the character before, but I don't know what it is.
What was this?
Well, that's one of the good cards there.
Nice card. Hope you like it.
Oh, I thought it was a Charizard. As soon as I turned it, I was thinking, shit, it was red. That's my fish reaction right now. But yeah, we're gonna go in. Pokemon cards. These just came out actually, so these are all brand new. Comes with, I believe, 16 packs in here. So let's go. So let's go. Let's try and get this Radiant Charizard. Boom.
What is it?
We pulled a fucking Charizard! Yo! That's the first time we pulled it! Yeah!
Come on, let's go!
Yo, is there a Ditto in here? No. Okay, yo, we actually... First pack is fire! Fire!
Wow.
There's another one. This ain't the Radiant one, but we pulled the Charizard, so... Bro, you know what? We pulled the Charizard. We pulled the Charizard.
Pump.
Let's see if we can pull that Mewtwo.
Go.
We're gonna try and see that Mewtwo, if we can pull it as well.
That's a nice Charizard. What happened? You cut?
No. Sure. That's the pack. The pack's a bit...
Okay. Careful. Man, how are you slicing these?
I don't know, bro. Like this.
Okay,
this
don't
thing
worry.
is- Oh my god, I can see something there. 2, 3. Mewtwo! V-Star!
Oh, is that Mewtwo?
Yeah, V-Star Mewtwo. We actually... Oh, we're hitting some cards today.
We got some
Thank
good
you.
cards today. Look at this one. Wow.
Yo, make sure we find that Ditto. There's a Ditto card you can peel.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, there's a card you can peel it and come Ditto.
Okay.
So that's 2 packs there. Two packs have been good. We're doing good, guys. I think this is a good little Pokemon Go pack.
Yeah, it's a good box. Keep it going. The hell are you doing?
I don't know. I just thought that it was not gonna open, but okay. Charmander, Pikachu. I know this guy, bro. I forgot his name, but yeah. Trainer. Ooh, you remember this? Was it Chansley, right? It's a Chansley, I believe. If I remember the character correctly, I think it might be Chansley.
Comment below who that is. I haven't got a clue.
We are hitting though. We're hitting some good packs today.
What's going on?
You remember him?
Yeah, go on.
Ooh, that's a nice card. I'll put that there. We're hitting some bangers today.
What's up, Godzilla?
No, it's I forgot his name, but I know exactly what his name is. Okay, I feel like I'm on like... Ooh, Eevee. Ooh,
who's
not
that?
Bad. I'm not too sure. It looks like you, bro. I'm trying to find this Ditto. If we get that Ditto's dangerous, bro. Oh, we're hitting good though.
Yeah, we got some good packs.
2, 3. Pikachu!
Oh, Pikachu
with the hat on.
Look at that card.
Pikachu!
And it's got a hat on.
I don't know if one of these cards are Ditto. No?
Pikachu.
Pikachu's good, bro. Pikachu's original. We got so many Pikachus, man. Pikachu's I'm trying to get this Mewtwo or Radiant Charizard. If we get that, then oh my god, baby. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, that's that bird, isn't it? You know that bird?
Yeah.
One of the birds. Alright, not bad.
I think so.
We're getting some bangers. Let's go. I'm getting used to opening these packs now. Ooh, that's a nice card.
It's not a Venusaur.
Yeah, but I don't know.
It's alright.
You put these.
Oh, that's the tree.
You got that tree guy in it, you know.
Yeah.
We can try and get some. Let's see. Or bear packs. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's see if we can get a Radiant Charizard. If we can get a Radiant Charizard. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Venusaur!
Yes!
Yes, bro.
Venusaur! Whoa!
That's a nice card.
Look at that card!
Is that Radiant Venusaur? No. Is that Radiant?
Wow! How do you know
I don't know if that, there's different. It looks a bit different. Like, there's a Radiant. I don't know if that's a Radiant. That's the original one. But can we complete the collection? Can we get Blastoise? I don't know.
Oh, please. That would be amazing.
Charmeleon. You ready?
What is
nice
it?
card. It's I think it's from like Eevee. It involves.
Okay,
it's like a cat or something. So I don't know, one of them. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Today's the magic is in Charmander. Yo, I got a feeling that we've got the Mewtwo. Oh, nah, that's a nice card.
Yeah.
That is a nice card. Ain't hit no Dittos yet. If we hit a Ditto, I don't know if I've missed it.
What is it?
I don't know. Yeah, quite a lot of these cards.
Pokemon.
These Pokemon Go packs are quite cool, man.
Yeah, they're good. How many we got left? Ooh, we got loads left. Oh, tons left.
So, Onyx, Charmander, Trainer, Dragonite.
Oh, hey.
That's a nice
He's
card.
A nice one.
Look at that. That's
I
a
like
nice card. That's a nice card. You're a Dragonite, man.
Yeah.
That guy's jokes, bro. Oh,
Dragonite's really good.
I want that Radiant Charizard. If I get that Radiant Charizard, this game over. Ooh, Eevee. Nice. Bulbasaur. Pidgey. Charizard. Wait, Zapdos. That's a nice card.
Zapdos.
You remember Zapdos, isn't it?
Sort of.
The bird, man, there's a red one. Maybe we can try and complete that, but I'd rather complete the original stuff if we can get it. We got Mew though. Nah, that's not a Ditto. I thought that was a Ditto. I think it's a Blastoise. No, it's not a Blastoise.
You want the Blastoise?
I want the Blastoise. Yes, I do.
Which one's this one? I haven't got a clue of those.
This is not a Ditto. There are Dittos here, but I don't know which cards they are again.
Alright, don't we got this.
We can get a Ditto, then we'll be happy.
I want a Blastoise.
Squirtle. Bulbasaur.
Ooh, okay.
At least we haven't hit no double cards.
Nice. Yeah, we haven't hit a double yet, so that's good.
Yeah, that's the main thing.
They're all new.
That was the first pack was sick though. Charizard just popped out like, hey man, you're right. You deserve me. Not too sure what that is, but that's one of the rares. It's a secret rare. No, it's not a secret rare.
Oh, no,
it's
it's
just a normal rare.
It's a normal one.
We got 3 packs left. It's the fourth one.
3-pack magic. Let's go.
This is 4. Obviously 3 packs standing there.
Charmeleons, only Charmeleons.
Oh, hey, we got the Radiant Venusaur. This is the Radiant one.
Venusaur.
This is the Radiant Venusaur.
We gotta be careful with this one.
This is the Radiant one.
Wow.
Do you see the difference? So this is the original, that's the Radiant one.
I'll put it next to it. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at the difference. But it looks cool
Look
though.
at
I like
the
that.
same. Oh, look at that. So shiny. Nice.
Trying to see if we get it.
Who's now?
Mewtwo!
Oh, look at that.
Yo, we've got a Ditto. We got it. We got the Ditto.
Oh, you got the Ditto.
It's this. Look.
What is it?
Look, can you see that? It says Ditto. You basically peel it and the card comes out as a Ditto. But we keep it like that.
Sure.
It's gonna be rare if you keep it like that.
Leave it. Leave that.
That's sick.
fun.
Yeah, put that on the side. That's
Whoa,
actually a Ditto.
look at that Mewtwo card.
Okay.
What a Mewtwo card. Look
Listen,
at
we
that.
got 2 packs now, yeah? 2
Wow.
packs. We've been putting heat today, yeah?
Wow, 2
Listen, we
more
got 2 packs.
Let me pull this one. Let me do
Wait,
it.
hold on.
Let
Let me do it.
it.
I've got luck right now.
Do it.
You know, you standing there, we got it going, bro. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What do you think it is?
Blastoise. Oh, it was close. It was
close.
a blue,
Nice card, though.
Nice card. I actually thought it was gonna be a Blastoise. Alright.
Okay, last pack magic. What do you reckon? You reckon we need either a Radiant Charizard or the Mewtwo, which is the one from the thing, like from the town. Basically, that one.
Let's see.
Either one of those. Even a Blastoise would do the damage as well.
Yeah. Open it, man. There you go. Come on, be something big. Be something big. Go on.
Oh, we clocked the set. We completed the set.
What is that?
The fire, the bird.
Some Phoenix. I like it. He thought it was a Charizard.
Well, at
He
least
saw the red.
We done good.
We done good though. That's a good pack there, guys. What do you think? Look at that. That's a nice set. I like it. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for
Cards are gonna
watching.
get sleeved up now, and we gotta catch them all.